record of distance landscape photography. This is not even a flat earth site. They are taking photography, and they have no idea that they just debunked the globe entirely. La silhouette of Bar des Écrins, 4,102 meters in the middle left of the image, from Pic de Fenestres, 2,820 meters at 440 kilometers before the sunrise, and other pictures more left, other summits a little more far away. This was dated July 16, 2016. It tells you the lens that it used. If you wanted to, you could grab a telescope to see even further than 440 kilometers. View the Écrins in the broad daylight in mid-February thanks to exceptional weather conditions. With help also of a polarizing filter was a huge satisfaction after previous attempts, sometimes collectively as well as individually. I had already portrayed in January of 2015 the Écrins Mountains, but with a very faint result. Now this is something that flat earthers always describe to the globe earthers. You can see across to another country if the weather conditions were right. And the flat earthers were absolutely correct about this. Last July, from a more distant peak than on previous occasions, in April there was also success, and good weather forecast. It made a great success of visibility. The Barre des Écrins relatively clearly manifested backlight of a sun in close position below the horizon. To his left, other peaks of the Alps also were to be seen. Refractive, favorable circumstances allowed to view some other peaks, even that more distant than the Barre des Écrins. Pic Gaspard, 443 kilometers, is what has given us this time the brand new, a new world record distance of photographed landscapes of our planet. And they're still calling it a planet even though they just proved it was a flat earth. Some pictures and illustrations. The picture of the current world record illustrated. Here we are. And they have it all mapped out for you. They can see from one peak to another peak. 443 kilometers equals out to 275 miles. 275 miles. That is over 3 times of what Joshua Nowicki did. On good weather conditions, you can see 26 miles further than the ISS. The International Space Station is not this far away. Debunk this. Go for it. I dare you. They have it all mapped out and calculated just for you. Look it up, do what you will with it, but don't make excuses. Map of sight illustrating the overwhelming distances of this world record. Forget about it all. If you can see further than the ISS, across to another freaking mountain, 275 miles from you, do the math to it. How far should these mountains be under the curve of the earth?